Hi YouTube friends, I'm doing a really quick impromptu video. I wanted to show you that after she's been playing or just throughout the day, her hair does get a little bit on the dry side, which is absolutely normal and there's nothing wrong with that. All hair needs a little bit of care, especially beautiful curly hair. So all I'm doing is I'm introducing a little bit of the oil, putting one drop at a time through her part. After the part, remember that hairstyle I did? I've already put that down with the little twisty curls. So in between those twisty curls, like so, I'm going to put a little bit, just one drop of the oil on each side to keep her hair, her scalp moist with a little bit of oil. It'll help keep her hair and maintain it. Just a quick video to show you guys that. So friends, after I've already put the oil on each little part here, all I do is with the same finger that I applied the oil to her scalp, I'm using that to twist her hair right back again. Today is not a hair wash day, so I want to maintain her same hairstyle that I have before. So I will twist these again and then put it back. I'll show you later. Okay friends, so I am all done. This side I completed. I retouched her hair. This is not wash day today, so I just introduced a little bit more of that oil. And here are her curls, which I twisted, and they should last one more day until wash day again. And now I have to do this side, redo this side. What I'm going to do is that on each part of the scalp, I'm gonna put a little bit of the oil in her scalp just to keep it more moisturized. So this side is done. What I did is I put her ponytail a little bit lower because tomorrow will be wash day, and I don't want her hair ponytail to be up here and kind of just bring her hair down a little bit of pressure go down. It'll be easier for wash day tomorrow for us. So now we're gonna do this side, and excuse the background, we have some laundry that needs to be put away. This was just a quick impromptu video. Here are her curls that I did yesterday. Watch it, baby. Wait, Papa. So I wanted to show you guys her curls, her beautiful, beautiful curls. I just love my daughter's hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay friends, so again, this is the oil that I use, and it helps keep her hair shiny and smooth. So I just wanted to share that with you. Again, I'll put it in the Let me show you my son's hair since he wants to be part of the video. Here it is. So, okay, we're doing your sister's hair now, okay? So, her hair always wants to rise to the top. That's why those little hairs want to come up. That's all. You have gorgeous hair. God gave you a beautiful hair, and beautiful hair takes a little bit longer to take care of because you are God's child and God made beautiful hair. Alright, YouTube friends, we will talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed this really quick touch-up video, and we will see you soon. Thank you for watching, YouTube friends. Bye.